Hello, boating intelligence community. They say the best 2 days of a boat owner's life is the day that he buys it and the day that he sells it. And that's primarily because of the required maintenance and repair activities that go along with owning a boat. Well, you can get around some of that expense if you do the work yourself and you source parts at a cheap price. I'm going to show you how I fixed something on this boat at a very low cost. Keep watching. This ballast pump for my fat sack on my boat, switch stopped working. There's no resistance to the switch. You can get these switches on Amazon pretty cheap. I think I got 2 of these for about $6. So I'm just gonna replace it and get on the water. Here you can see the quality of the new switch. It appears to be better because it has electrical contacts and there are also compression areas here to hold the wires inside and prevent them from being pulled out. Additionally, the case is held together with screws. This one has good function. You can see this one is just junk. This one lasted about 4 years. Hopefully this one will last at least as long. Again, I bought 2 of these off Amazon, so I've got an extra one now. They cost, I think, about $6 delivered if you have Amazon Prime, so that's a pretty good deal. You can see how this one was connected. I'm gonna have to cut this, but I'm gonna solder the ends and make sure that the wires are not frayed, and then I'll use the screws to hold it in place. Got the wires secured in there with the lugs. Got the nice straps in here that help hold the wires in the case, and now I'm going to screw the case back together and test my connections. Case is closed up and sealed. Now I'm going to test it since it's plugged in. Works like it's supposed to. For $2.50.